Hey there, I'm Brittany Smith and welcome to Filmmaker Symposium. So today I'm going to talk about the cheapest way to get beautiful soft light without buying a light diffuser or making your own light diffuser. So many times when people are trying to achieve soft light, they'll use direct diffusion, which means the light is pointing directly at the subject, and then you have diffusion in front of that light to create soft light. And by soft light, I mean the transition from light to shadow on the subject. As you can see on my face, the light is hitting me from over here, but there is a gradual transition to the shadows across my face. Now, if I had hard light, you would see a stark light section on my face and then a stark shadowy section on my face. But right now, it's more of a gradual transition. So if you want to do regular diffusion with the diffuser in front of the light, you can go ahead and watch my DIY light diffusion video. It's a great video on how to cheaply build your own light diffuser that's effective for filmmaking and photography. But there is a cheaper way to go about this if you are really on a tight budget, and that is called diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection is when you actually point the light at a different surface, usually a white surface or a light colored surface, and that light will bounce off of that board or wall or whatever it is, and it will light up your subject that way, creating soft light. Now, the great thing about most buildings and houses is that ceilings are usually white. So if you point your light at the ceiling, then usually you'll come up with softer light coming down. So here's an example. So as you can see, I'm using an LED light. This particular light is able to adjust from cool to warm or warm to cool. So I'm actually changing it to warm. After that, I'm going to make sure that I point it at the ceiling, making sure that it's nice and secure on the stand, and then checking for the barn doors to make sure no light's spilling over. So now I have soft light across my face instead of hard light, which is super ugly. And there you have it. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time on Filmmaker Symposium.